Hey, what's going on, builders? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing an auto accessory for the Project Core 2.0, and that will be a remote starter today. I'm going to be well, I've already got it installed, but I will be showing you guys how it works, how to turn it on and turn it off. So if you guys are excited to see this new mod and new accessory added onto the Project Core, stick around and just watch the video, and let's get started. Alright, so here we have the Project Core 2.0, and so how we have it, as I forgot to mention, that the remote starter I have installed on the car is a Compustar, however you pronounce it. You can leave down in the comments however you pronounce it, but a Compustar remote starter. So what you do, all you do is you press it and you hold. As you can see, it just blinked. As you see, it started. So that's how you start it. Press and hold, and to turn it off, you just press it. You just press it and hold it again, and it'll turn off. Press it and hold and turn off. As you can see, that's how you turn it off and turn it on. So yeah. Alright, builders, so I really hope you guys liked that video where today we just did a review on my Compustar remote starter for my 2015 Honda Accord or Project Core 2.0. I will try to have more videos out coming soon, but there's a lot of plans in the works and a lot of mods I'm thinking about and projects and whatnot. So just stay tuned. There will be more videos coming. Can't really tell you how soon, but I really hope you builders like this video, and don't forget, it was Thanksgiving a couple days ago, so I really hope you had a great Thanksgiving. And yeah, so don't forget to build up. Peace, and I'll see you in the next one.